So I've been thinking about this all night, and I've basically been racking my brain about what's going on. There's a lot of stress and anxiety out there with this coronavirus, and everybody's talking about it. I mean, this is, and I mean, everywhere you go, every news channel. My thing is this, and I've been thinking about this all night, trying to figure out a way to let my audience know that instead of contracting, this is the time that you want to expand. There's people out there making a killing right now online that are capitalizing on something that's going on that's negative out there in the world. There's people making billions of dollars right now on things because they know what's going on and they're like, okay, let me create this thing. Let me create this mask. Let me create this. And then people are buying it because they're scared. You guys are sitting home. This is the perfect time. If you're sitting home or if you're, whatever the case is. I mean, I talk to a lot of people and they're like, well, I'm home for the next couple of weeks. We don't know what's going on, right? This is the time to educate yourself and make money. Here's what I'm gonna tell you. I've been thinking like, man, I got a brilliant idea. The platform that I have for you guys is going to help you tremendously. Why? Because what I've laid out is a way to actually start making money right away, okay? So take the time, whether it's 1 week, 3 weeks, who knows? We don't know how long we're gonna be sitting home. We don't know if we're gonna ever have a job again, okay? Because a lot of companies are just being laid. I mean, the people are being laid off completely. Some are like, hey, go home for a couple weeks, right? Enjoy yourself. Now, are you gonna be the person to go home and watch, Ellen, or are you gonna be the kind of person that goes home and takes the time and maximizes your opportunity to educate yourself and make money, more importantly? It's your responsibility and your duty, whether man or woman, to provide for your family. So what better opportunity when you're sitting there to do something that's e-commerce? I send a platform to your email. You open up the email, you log in. Now, what can you do? And what exactly is it? So you're asking me what it is. It's a platform where not only can you learn and actually do your own credit repair. I show you in 7-minute video, step by step, how to I give you the actual letters that we were using for many years. It's highlighted where you put your name and your social and the date and the account number. I show you exactly how to do this so you could then send out your letters for yourself if you need a credit repair. But what else did I put in there? I put in there so you can make money right away. Now you have the platform to actually make money. You want to start selling credit repair to friends? How about family members? How about clients? Whatever the case is, you have the business plan. It's inside your email. This comes to your email, you pull it up, and you can use it for anybody. It's not just for you. So I'm like, brilliant. Why don't we have a platform? These people are sitting home or they don't know what's going on. There's a lot of uncertainty out there. Right? Why wouldn't they want to make money? I was always told that if you want to keep a client for life, show them how to make money. Do you know what the charge is right now, the average charge for credit repair is? The average charge for credit repair is $150 a month or $500 one-time fee. That's the average charge right now. And we're not even talking about elite. We're just talking about a standard. Elites are going $1,500 to $2,000. That's what the prices are. Why would you not want to make that money? Because inside the platform, I show you exactly what to do, step by step. You just take that content and you do it for somebody else. Collect the money legally, collect the money, which I'll show you guys if you call in and I'll tell you how to do this. Collect the money, use the exact proprietary blueprint that it's the same ones that we used. Why have we been so successful? Because we know what letters work. Why? Because we typed them. We know exactly what codes, what laws, and everything else. If they say this, hey, verified, boom. Now you're gonna send this one. You think it's gonna be verified? Watch this next letter. I tell you which one to send next, gets more aggressive. And then the third one is we're going to lawsuit. This is what I'm talking about. Like, you guys have the platform. When you pull up your email, reach out to family, friends, everybody. Like, you have a business right inside the platform that I'm offering. Start making money right away. Do you know how many people need credit repair? Let me tell you, 77% of Americans have something negative or incorrect on their credit report. Out of 330 million people, that's over 200 million people that have something incorrect, outdated, unfair, or unduly on their credit report. Do you know what that means? This is a time to take these couple weeks that you guys have and not only learn, but make money. Give me a call right away, 904-420-7772. That's 904-420-7772. I'm gonna show you the platform, and you can use it over and over and over and over again. That's the education platform. Give us a call right away, 904-420-7772. My guys are on the floor waiting to help you out. Guys, stay safe through this virus. And again, educate yourself. Don't cower down, expand. This is the time to expand and learn and make money and capitalize on something that's negative out there. I'll see you guys tomorrow.